In cold weather, when engine temperatures fall below 66 degrees Fahrenheit or 19 degrees Celsius, the wait to start light will remain on, indicating the intake manifold heater system is active. If this is the case, starting the diesel engine in the vehicle is just a bit different than usual. If the wait to start light is on, pushing the engine start button with the driver's foot on the brake will move the ignition from off, or ACC, to run, but the engine will not immediately crank. This is normal operation. The wait to start message will be displayed in the instrument cluster while the manifold heater system preheats the engine. During this time, the instrument cluster will display a gauge or bar that will indicate the time period until engine start. When the engine wait to start light goes off, the engine will automatically crank. After engine startup, check to see that there is oil pressure. Okay, you're ready to go. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.